Students, in previous video we have learned about parts of a tooth and structure of a tooth. Now in this video we will learn about looking after your teeth. When you eat, bits of food get stuck between the gaps in your teeth. Very tiny living things called bacteria live on the surface of your teeth. Bacteria can be seen only under a microscope. Bacteria grow well on sugary and starchy foods. They make a substance called an acid. Acids eat away the enamel which covers the teeth. Slowly a hole called cavity is formed in the tooth. If the cavity goes deep and reaches the soft pulp, the tooth begins to hurt and you suffer from a toothache. Sometimes the rotting food along with bacteria forms a sticky yellow layer called plaque on the teeth. Tooth decay results in bad breath, bleeding gums and indigestion. Students, looking after your teeth, gums and mouth, keeping your teeth, gums and mouth clean and healthy can prevent disease and infection and can help to avoid pain and sickness. Tips for healthy teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once before going to bed, with a good toothpaste and toothbrush. Brush the front and back of the teeth in circular and up and down motion. A dental floss should be used to remove food particles stuck between the teeth. Always rinse your mouth after every meal to remove food particles stuck in between the teeth. This washes out bacteria and prevents plaque and gum boils. Eat healthy foods. Avoid eating too much of sugary food items. Bacteria grow the fastest on sugary food items. Massage your gums every day. This will help to keep them strong. Chewing fruits and salads improves blood flow to the gums. Eating raw foods like apples, carrots and radish help to clean your teeth. Visit a dentist for regular checkups. Students, here are some tips to help you look after your teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day with a good toothpaste and toothbrush. Protect your teeth from injury. Wear a mouth guard or full face helmet when playing sports. See your dentist for regular checkups. You should also visit your dentist if you have a dental problem. Students, now we do exercise. Number 1, take the correct answer. A. Biting teeth are also called first incisors, second canines, third premolars, fourth molars. The answer is incisors. B. Food that is good for teeth are first carrots, second sweets, third chocolates, fourth all of these. The answer is carrots. C. Acids produced by bacteria eat away the first enamel, second gums, third pulp, fourth all of these. The answer is enamel. D. The hardest part of a tooth is first enamel, second dentine, third pulp, fourth all of them. The answer is enamel. E. Number of teeth in a temporary set are first 18, second 20, third 30, fourth 32. The answer is 20. Number 2, fill in the blanks. A. The yellow sticky layer found on the teeth is called dash. The answer is plaque. B. A dash should be used to remove food stuck between the teeth. The answer is dental floss. C. The dash is soft and has a supply of nervous and blood vessels. The answer is pulp. D. Dash is a hole in the tooth. The answer is cavity. E. The dash lies between the root and crown. The answer is neck. Thank you.